7, 8.
If you could not tell by the enthusiastic expression on my face, I was ecstatic to do my nighttime routine. Not because some nights I just don't feel like it, and that's okay. Being lazy is okay in moderation. This is your reminder that even though they say don't half-ass things because how you do anything is how you do everything, it's okay to do things begrudgingly, unwillingly, dare I say, not 100%, because the fact that you did it, you should give yourself a round of applause and a pat on the fucking back. It's hard out here sometimes. But yeah, today we're just going to do my bare minimum bedtime routine, which is curling my hair, doing my skincare, and I'm also going to give an update on that Amazon hair that I bought. Speaking of Amazon, I've got beef with Jeff Bezos because they banned my account, which we'll get into later in the video, so buckle up, bitches. It's gonna go straight into cleansing. Panoxyl, love her from infinity to infinity, as I had said before. And fluffing, or I don't know if it's called frothing your face wash. I'm not exactly sure what it does, but I saw it in a video once and she's very impressionable, so I do it all the time now. Plus, it's about romanticizing the little things, you know, like making it a routine and ritual. Don't forget to take out your AirPod because I've damaged one like that before. I dropped it in a little bit of water. Phone calls never sounded the same. But yeah, I'm almost out of all my face moisturizer, which I'm pretty sure is like body moisturizer. I tried to get the CeraVe dupe, which I went to Sam's Club today and they gave me a little sample. The robot on the wall did, so that's fun. If you have a membership, go to the club, go get you a free sample. I'm brushing my teeth. Sorry if you're squeamish. This reminded me of those scenes that they did, like the cut scenes in SpongeBob or Flapjack. I never really watched that show because it was too scary. But then we just used the little Dixie cups, which they tried to influence me as a child with these ones too. I never caved. Well, my mother never caved. Little mouth wiping thingy always reminds me of what movie is that? Horton Hears a Who, when he goes to the dentist. She's cute, she's fun, she's simple. 3 steps, kabow. Spot treatment is optional, and I just got these cute new pimple patches. Testing them out to see if they work. Thought they'd be cute because they're heart-shaped and pink, but it really just looks like nothing. And the clear ones are so much more better. They're discreet and disappear. Look at that. You can't even see it. Where'd she go? Now we're gonna hit the hay. I got a date with the man of my dreams. Gotta go meet up with him. Oh, almost forgot, my lips were ashy, so I have to moisturize. I've been loving this little lip balm. The bonnet too, how could I forget the bonnet? Like I say, all good things gotta marinate, including your hair. But BRB, TTYL, XOX, all the good abbreviations, you know.
Rise and shine.
If you thought my nighttime routine was overwhelming, you're really gonna be wowed by my morning routine. It's practically the same thing, just with a little bit of pizzazz. Also, you can definitely tell which side of my face I slept on. Eyelashes gone, evaporated, disintegrated onto the pillow. I already washed my face. We're gonna use that same moisturizer that I think is body cream. And I learned this little esthetician massaging facial technique, but I don't know, I still tug and pull at my face. I just try to be a little more aware. Up until recently, I didn't even bother doing my edges with this sew-in because nothing worked at all until I went to California and I found this Black Panther edge control, which, yeah, it's as strong as it says. It must have the strength of all the ancestors inside this little jar because I've had nothing hold my hair like this. This is no perm, no pizzy, and it shouldn't look the way it does. I mean, it's not spectacular or anything because I didn't tie it down or put any hairspray to lock it in, but yeah, you should see what a normal gel does to my hair. And my leave out, we might have to give her a break soon because fried and dyed is an understatement. It's like leaning to the side for sure now. I have 2 strands of hair in the front, albeit I did cut bangs a while ago. But like I said, a while ago. Also, what's this discourse about heat training? I'm not really sure what that is. It's either damaged or it ain't. Why do we have to put a new term to everything? Everything has to be categorized and named. So the whole Amazon sitch is I set up an account with them so that I can get affiliate links. And I finally started making some money. And these bitches wanted to close down my whole entire operation. They basically raided me. I had to make a whole new account. It was kind of annoying. So yeah, Jeff Bezos, sleep with one eye open. I haven't forgot that this was supposed to be a hair update, so as I unravel these curls, let me tell you a little bit about my opinion. I don't know, I think it's been about a month since I posted that video, or at least 3 weeks. Yes, I can confirm almost all of the comment section, or excuse me, the reviews. So shedding, she sheds slightly. Like I said, that doesn't bother me because it's bundles. Like, at least your real hair isn't falling out, girl. You could have alopecia. It could be way worse. The second thing is, I have washed this hair once. I don't know, human hair, it just, the way that it acted with the water, it was like, it wasn't, you know. I am not complaining at all because I didn't have to dye this. The color match is perfect. And we all want to know, does she hold the curl? Because yes, they're popping right now, but give it 2 hours, girl. These curls are going to be on the floor. My hair's going to be straighter than, I don't know, someone who waits for Chick-fil-A to open on Monday morning. Yeah, I love it. I'm going to be ordering again. So form your own opinion. Don't trust people on the internet because they be lying. But we're going to get into these lashes real quick because I promise it only takes me like 5 minutes now. And this is the best angle I've ever recorded. So enjoy. Eat it up. I hope you really get your notepad, get a pen and paper, because you may never see this angle again. But yeah, I totally understand why beauty gurus back in the day used to run off camera real quick to put on a lily lash or to do their eyebrows, because this is hard to capture a good angle of. But the method never changes, so like I said, lock it in. And the pattern, for everyone who really wants the blueprint, or the pink print might I say, it doesn't really matter what length you want, but you're gonna go halfway to where your pupil is. You're gonna do the long on the outside and then the shorter ones on the inside. It looks good if you do half and half, in my opinion. But yeah, this was just a quick little video telling you to get off your ass, because you know you need to take off your makeup or wrap your hair, and don't forget to put your bonnet on or else you're gonna hate yourself in the morning. But yeah, Bezos, and I'll catch you later, kitty girl.